I got a 2023 Chevy Silverado key fob here. This is how you open it to replace the battery. So if you look on the left side of the key fob, there's a button. Press and hold it down with your thumb, and you can take out the emergency key. That's gonna help you take off this back panel right here. So if you get a small screwdriver, put it in the slot right here, and you can pry the back panel up and off. And then right here's your battery. There's two slots here that you can use to pry the battery out. This comes out just like that. Battery size is a CR2450. Goes in the bottom first. Goes in like that. Positive sign facing out towards us. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have the correct size and an Amazon link there for you. And you get the back cover. Put it on the top first, like that. And then work your way down. Lock it all together. Get the emergency key. And it goes in and locks. We're all done. Well, I hope the video was quick and straight to the point. If it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.